Imagine a world where you'd never need to replace your phone battery or worry about your electric car losing power. That future might be closer than you think, thanks to an incredible breakthrough from researchers at the University of California, Irvine. This team has developed a revolutionary nanowire-based battery material that can be recharged not just thousands, but hundreds of thousands of times. Yes, you heard that right. This technology could create batteries that last practically forever, making dead batteries a thing of the past. So, what's the secret behind this innovation? It all comes down to nanowires, tiny structures thousands of times thinner than a human hair. These nanowires are highly conductive and have massive potential for energy storage. But until now, they've had one big problem. They're incredibly fragile. Repeated charging cycles cause them to break down, limiting their usefulness. That's where the brilliance of UCI's team comes in. Led by doctoral candidate Maya Latai, the researchers solved the fragility issue by coating gold nanowires with a manganese dioxide shell and embedding them in a gel similar to plexiglass. This combination creates a super durable structure that can withstand charging cycles like never before. Here's the jaw-dropping part. Tai cycled the electrode 200,000 times without losing any capacity or power. That's a lifespan far beyond anything batteries today can achieve. The gel coating is the game changer, providing flexibility and preventing the cracking and degradation that usually destroy nanowire-based batteries over time. This means devices powered by this technology, like smartphones, computers, electric vehicles, and even spacecraft, could potentially have batteries that last a lifetime. The findings, published in the American Chemical Society's Energy Letters, mark a significant step toward making long-lasting batteries a reality. Not only could this innovation transform personal gadgets, but it could also reshape industries like renewable energy, where reliable storage is key. This could be the battery revolution we've all been waiting for. What do you think about never having to replace your batteries again? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting science breakthroughs like this one.